Yani, content creation, it's a journey on itself. It's a journey, and especially on YouTube. I look back some time ago. Hey, the fight starting from gaining subscribers. Getting subscribers, it's a hassle, but well, for me it was a hassle. Maybe to someone else, depending na ile content anafanya, probably they experience a different scenario, because different YouTubers have different experiences. But for me it was a hassle. Secondly, for you to get until the point where you are monetized, it's it's another struggle, because of course you need to meet the minimum requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And 4,000 watch hours, it's kind of too much, especially for a beginning YouTuber. Well, but to others it works so easy for them. Then there is this other thing, for you to prepare your video and it gets ready. It's ready for you to upload it. Editing can be a hassle. Even shooting can be a hassle. And actually, guys, even before we go to shooting, sometimes you plan yourself and you have this big idea you have in mind, but this one has happened to me, by the way, so many times. But when I go to shooting it, I realize, what kind of a stupid idea did I have? And I'm like, I'm not ready to do this. But I think in the nearby future, I think thinking of like daring and becoming me. Whatever idea pops up in my mind, I think I'm gonna shoot it, because trying even also to understand the YouTube algorithm, it's so funny. Sometimes a video that you expected it to boom, the video among other YouTubers has been performing well. The video you have done adequate research, and then according to you the thumbnail is dope and everything else is nice. You have this intention of like, this video gonna boom onto you. It doesn't, and it only gets some few views. And other videos that like, I remember I had a video that I did on Easily Shopping Mall. By the way, you can check it on the description, or I will put it up here. And this video, actually I just did some small clips, and on to me, this video, by the way, got lots and lots of views. It's one of my best performing videos, yet I had not planned about it. And so I think if you're a content creator, I don't know what you think about this. Maybe I would like to hear your views. What do you think about ideas on content creation? What do you think works or what doesn't work? And what strategy do you have on planning your content? Content creation or becoming a YouTuber is one of the amazing things that I think I have done into my life. But I don't know this. If you're a content creator, if you're a YouTuber out there, do you find yourself in this situation, like you wake up and you are this sucked up and you're like, today I must have a video, or today I must have like a post to post, but then you do not have anything prepared at all to post? And it gets you in an awkward situation. And it's very funny, by the way, because at the beginning of your journey or whatever content that you are creating, you had this big idea about it, but it gets to a point where you find yourself, you do not have any idea. I know this has actually happened to me a lot, and actually it costed me a lot, because I didn't have anything to post, by the way, because I had not planned before, and I got to a point where I felt like I don't have anything to post. I don't know if you have found I don't know if you have ever found yourself in this kind of a situation. By the way, guys, I think I'm loving this journey. Content creation, it's an amazing journey. But this is what I would say: if you're an upcoming YouTuber, well, or you're planning to become a YouTuber, it isn't easy, but at the same time, I wouldn't discourage you. Why discourage you? I'm already doing it, so it's nice, but it isn't a walk in the park. But anyway, what is easy? Nini rahisi? I think there isn't. All it requires is dedication, commitment. Yeah, and consistency in this case. By the way, guys, one of my biggest struggle in YouTube so far, it's consistency, and it's getting, or it's hitting me hard, because sometimes I feel I do not have any content to put out there. And it's so funny, because if I would ask myself, have I covered everything that I plan to? No, I haven't. And I keep wondering, why do I get to a point where I do not have any content? And I think this is because I do not plan myself in advance. And therefore, on this note, I decided to challenge myself, by the way. And I decided, like, it's high time. It's high time I start, like, having some note or something, or a plan on what I'm going to be doing. And in this case, I decided to be doing some writing. So here I have my notebook here with me, and I decided to be carrying this notebook wherever I go. And every time that I get this idea popping into my head, then this would be the time for me to note it down, the idea, just note down the idea. And then maybe later, after doing my research, I'll come to conclude what kind of video it will be, or what the title will be all about. I don't know if you're an YouTuber out there. Do you find yourself struggling with content, and what strategies do you put in place to ensure that you have consistency? Because what I've come to understand is that in YouTube, you have to be consistent in whatever you are doing. Not like you post one video now and then you wait for 2 months for you to post another one. Consistency is key, and I believe it all happen in other social media platform. For it to be successful, you have to be consistent. You have to engage your audience in whatever social media platform that you are doing it. So guys, let me know, how do you cope with consistency, or how are you able to ensure that you are consistent and you keep uploading content that your audience actually desire to watch? So thank you so much, guys. Please leave a comment, give me some ideas on how I can work on my channel to ensure that I'm consistent. And by the way, ideas sometimes they keep on disappearing. I don't know why. So please give me some ideas on the comment section. Thank you, guys. Like the video and share, and don't forget subscribe. Bye.